wonder if unicorns have a sense of humor. The unicorn certainly does, cause it's come up with a whole compilation of pranks on Granny. Still, Granny is keeping up. How will this prank war end? Watch it in our new video. Granny's sleep is interrupted by an unexpected phone call. It's Granny speaking. What? What unicorn are you talking about? I can smell a rat. These grandkids and their funny little pranks again. They say a unicorn is going to stay at my place for some time. Is it a fairy tale? Oh, darling. What is it? The cute unicorn annoys Granny. She is allergic to magical creatures. What am I supposed to do with the unicorn? Don't touch me! You'd rather go for a walk. By a twist of fate, the unicorn happens to get in the kitchen. There are only boring cookies. It's all right. We'll fix it. Let's cheer up Granny. I will make a colorful gift for her. Whip 2 egg whites into foam. Add 7 ounces of powdered sugar. Keep on beating until a thick consistency. Divide the mass into parts and add food coloring into each. Put a Ziploc bag into a cup and put the cream of each color into one by one in return. Cut off a corner of the bag. The unicorn takes the bag with the cream. It squeezes it, shaping a colorful spiral. It puts sprinkles on top. Now everyone will know that the unicorn has been here. Granny comes into the kitchen to get some milk. What is that on the table? These young people have zero respect. Leaving this on a plate is unacceptable. But what is it? It smells nice. Granny is outraged. The unicorn tries to explain that this is just a sweet and colorful cream. But Granny doesn't like the prank. She prefers her boring cookie. Granny is too strict. It's not allowed to sit on a sofa with your legs up. Neither is playing with food. No, no, no to this, no to that. No to everything. She doesn't make exceptions even for the cutest unicorns. The main rule in her house is to not distract Granny from her twilight years. But the unicorn really wants to cheer up Granny. It has to invent something urgently. For example, soap bubbles. Everyone likes them. And balloons are even better. Blow colorful balloons. Tie ropes to them. Put them into a cabinet and attach the ropes to the inside of the door with tape. The unicorn shuts the door and waits for Granny. She has just found an interesting recipe. She takes a board and a grater, and she opens the door to take a bowl. Surprise! The unicorn throws a secret party in the cabinet, and Granny is invited. The main life hack when you are retired is to be young at heart. Granny has a few pranks for her rainbow guest up her sleeve. Has the unicorn gotten hungry? Hurry up to the fridge. Granny has a whole box of rainbow ice cream just for you. Mix ice cream and food coloring in a blender. Pour some into a big plastic container and spread it over the wall in a thin layer. Let it freeze. Spread over the cream strip of a different color. Cover the whole container wall in this way. Cut out an ice cream picture to make it of the same size as the lid. Attach it with double-sided tape. Put the lid onto the one ice cream wall container. The happy unicorn rushes up to the fridge. Rainbow ice cream is always a feast. Granny offers a spoon kindly, except there is no ice cream feast. There's a rainbow emptiness in the box. Granny is the winner in this round of the prank battle. Unicorns are amazing creatures. They can catch a cold if they do not eat ice cream. The unicorn sneezing. Oops! It seems to need a handkerchief. Add a little contact lens solution to slime glue. Mix it and add a pinch of baking soda. Knead the slime until it stops sticking to your hands. Divide it into 3 parts. Put in a different food coloring into each part. Join the slimes into a rainbow. Granny sees the unicorn's rainbow slime. Yuck! It's disgusting! And the unicorn is even playing with it. You'd better learn how to wipe your nose. Here, take a white pack. Once the unicorn likes rainbow stuff that much, then Granny will make rainbow cookies with a secret ingredient. Whip 2 eggs and 3 ounces of sugar.